Hi, dear friends and subscribers of Cricket Happenings. This is your host Ram, and we are going to pick up play here between what I'm going to do in this Cricket Happening show is I'm going to be giving some cricket commentary. I wouldn't say I'm not an expert comment, but I'm just going to keep you updated by just talking about the game. And besides, I will also tell you some cricket news while I'm doing that cricket commentary. So let's first head towards the IPL 2011, where Chennai Super Kings, who have actually won the toss and elected to bat against Kochi Tuskers Kerala, which is played at Chennai today, and currently they are 23 for 1 in the fifth over. Just talking about what really happened. Dhoni won the toss, elected to bat. RP Singh started proceedings along with Sreesanth, and they were bowling very well. In fact, RP Singh bowled very steadily. In fact, they were first 2 overs they had only 2 runs on the board, with Sreesanth and RP Singh bowling in the good areas. Sreesanth had 1 over for 2 runs. RP Singh bowled 1 over for 3 runs, and after that, in the third over, Vijay decided to open up. He first hit RP Singh wide of mid-off for 4. Then he got a ball which was coming onto his pads, and he just whipped it away for a boundary. And in the same over of the last delivery, RP Singh had Vijay with a stinging Yorker which came in with the angle, and Vijay's off stump was knocked out. So that was and now in the fourth over is bowled by Sreesanth. Sreesanth has been bowling well, 2 overs for 6 runs. RP Singh 2 overs, no maiden, 1 for 17 after that bashing. He has been replaced by Muthiah Muralidharan right now, who is actually bowling to Raina, and Raina gets no run. So the first wicket goes Murli Vijay bowled RP Singh for 16 of 11 balls with 3 4s, and currently they are 23 for 1 Chennai Super Kings against Kochi Tuskers Kerala. Michael Hussey, Kochi Tuskers Kerala are the ones who are really under the pump. They are the ones who have to really do something extraordinary to get keep their hopes alive. As far as Chennai Super Kings are concerned, they have been doing well. Michael Hussey is not out on 5 of 9 balls, and Suresh Raina is not out on 3 of 9 balls. Well, I'll be talking about that later, as and when anything happens there. The score is 24 for 1 currently. Well, some cricket news that I would like to share with you is that on the Sri Lankan tour, Sri Lanka touring England, it seems that the Tim Bresnan, one could classify him as an all-rounder, due to a torn calf muscle, will be missing the whole tour, which is very sad, because Tim Bresnan, according to me, he did well against Australia, did well in the World Cup, and he likes to swing the ball in English conditions. Tim Bresnan could be quite a very, very difficult customer, and I think Sri Lanka are very lucky that Tim Bresnan is not playing. But I feel sorry for Tim Bresnan that he is not able to actually play in this series. Well, the other news that I have is that the new 2020 competition, which is going. No, okay. Let's talk about Stuart Clark, who has just announced his retirement from all cricket, and he's going to concentrate on being concentrate on the Sixers tournament, which happens in Australia. So he's going to concentrate on that. So Stuart Clark's tenure as an international cricket player has ended at the age of 35. He has done a wonderful job, but probably the only problem that Stuart Clark, the Australian swing bowler, had was basically his injuries were a big worry, and that was what actually kept him out of the game. And finally, he had to yield to the youngsters who actually made it to the Australian side. But Stuart Clark, on his day, he would have been deadly, because he looks a very innocuous bowler, but he used to really rely on cut and swing, and also a little bit of pace too. So that used to be really, really worrisome for the batsman. His best tour was against South Africa, where he took a lot of 5-wicket hauls. And that was the best part of Stuart Clark. So Stuart Clark of Australia has decided to retire and concentrate on off-field duties. In the meanwhile, I'm taking you down to the Chennai Super Kings match here, as Sreesanth has been the first ball of the sixth over. Suresh Raina has swung him for a 6. Suresh Raina swinging Sreesanth for a long 6 over long on, and in the second delivery, Sreesanth has been hit for a boundary by Raina. So Raina has moved on to 13 of 11 balls with 1 4 and 1 6. Michael Hussey is not out on 5 of 10 balls, and the current score, Chennai Super Kings in the sixth over, 34 for 1. So again, talking about the cricket news, what was happening. I talked about Stuart Clark, who has decided to hang up his boots in international cricket. And the other news that I have is that um, um, the wicketkeeper Dinesh Ramadhan, Carlton Borg has taken Dinesh Ramadhan's place, and Dinesh Ramadhan would like to make a comeback to the Windies team. Probably he's banking on his domestic performances. He's trying to prove himself and come back into the West Indies team. So that is good to know. Other than that, I don't have anything. I think I will talk to you about the and here one more six has been hit by Suresh Raina. Suresh Raina is suddenly started opening up. He has actually clubbed Sreesanth over the fence for a six. So 2 sixes and a 4 of 3 consecutive deliveries. Are we going to see a repeat of what Shaun Marsh did to Van der Vaart yesterday, or is it going to be another repeat of what Chris Gayle did to Prashant Parameswaran? Now what is going to happen? 3 balls have been bowled. The first one has been swung over long on for a 6. The next one has been smashed over mid on for a 4. Now one bounce, it went to the fence, and Sreesanth has bowled to Raina the third delivery, and that has been hit for a 6. So 16 runs of the first 3 deliveries of the 6th over being bowled by Sreesanth. Sreesanth is under a lot of pressure. Is Sreesanth going to really be perturbed by this, and he's going to give in, or is he going to really... Well, Suresh Raina has... No, yes, it is the same delivery. In fact, Suresh Raina has actually... This was the length ball which was bowled by Sreesanth. Just talking about the third delivery that Sreesanth bowled to Raina. And well, it's all happened. Sreesanth has got his man. This is something. 6, 4 and a 6. And Sreesanth has nailed Suresh Raina's wicket. Suresh Raina is gone. Suresh Raina has been caught by R.P. Singh off the bowling of Sreesanth for 19 of 13 deliveries, 1 4 and 2 sixes. He was doing one too many. He was trying to really take on Sreesanth. And well, but Sreesanth has won that battle after the first 3 deliveries. The 4th delivery, and Sreesanth wins the battle. Clean ball. In fact, Koch Singh, Raina has gone. Koch Singh bowled Sreesanth for 19, and the second wicket for the Chennai Super Kings have gone. 40 for 2 now in the 6th over, and there are 2 more balls to be bowled by Sreesanth. So it's all happening here at Chennai, as there was a lot of excitement as the first ball was hit for a 6 by Raina, the second ball went for a 4, the third one was clubbed over long on for a 6, and the 4th delivery nets Sreesanth a wicket. So what's happening here? So 40 for 2 now in the 6th over. Just talking to you about what really happened. It was actually a full toss delivery, and Suresh Raina tried to swing him over long on, and but the ball was in the air, and but he couldn't really get under the ball, and R.P. Singh judged the skier well and took it cleanly. So he's gone. So 40 for 2 currently in the 6th over. We are in the 6th over right now. The run rate is going ascend. Meanwhile, Sreesanth comes in and bowls to Hussey as they crossed over, and Hussey will get no run. So Hussey remains on 5. Subramaniam Badrinath has taken Raina's place. So Subramaniam Badrinath, as you know, will be playing with lots of confidence. The reason being, he has been selected for the one-day international tour of the West Indies. So that is something which will give him a lot of boost his confidence, and I know he's been having a wonderful IPL 2011. He would be extremely motivated, and he would definitely, I'm quite sure that we are going to see a really brilliant Badrinath today, who is going to get this Chennai Super Kings out of trouble for sure. In the meanwhile, Sreesanth comes in and bowls to Hussey, and Hussey will get a single for this, and the score moves on by 1. 41 for 2 Chennai Super Kings at the end of 6 overs. In a very eventful over from Sreesanth, who has figures of 3 overs, no maiden, 1 for 23, in which the first 3 balls were hit for 6, 4 and 6, and the 4th delivery, Sreesanth had his man, Suresh Raina. So what an eventful over here. 41 for 2 in 6 overs. Now Chennai Super Kings batting against Kochi Tuskers Kerala after winning the toss. That's it from me, your host Ram, for Cricket Happenings for today. This is your host Ram signing off. Thank you.